how much there is out there.
Oh, yeah.
There's so much.
And
yeah.
she does such an accurate job, too, with building her art pieces with the plastic that she gathers. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's so
overall.
disturbing that that's what it's made out of, but the art is pretty fantastic.
Pretty fascinating, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I want to take a look at weather and traffic right now. And we're going to start with Joseph, who's in for Kelly, and we're just
morning.
looking at more rain today.
We are. It's gonna arrive later though, so we have some hours here where we could get outside and get some things done. Maybe you want to take that dog out for a morning walk, or you want to run to the gas station, or wherever you need to go. You should avoid that rain for now. But by the time you get closer to about lunchtime, if you need to get out, anticipate some rain. And it's going to start off light, and it's going to get a little more intense as we go through the day. All right, 43 degrees coming out of Seaside right now. Southeast breeze at 5 miles per hour. That might pick up at times today, about 15 miles per hour. Not as strong as what we'll see here in the gorge and parts of the valley later on today. This is out of our Seaside camera. Always love that. No rain coming down, and you have some waves here crashing out of our Chinook Winds Casino Resort. Still no rain there for the Oregon coast, but it's on the way, and it will arrive again a little bit closer to about midday. So that moisture is still kind of pointed down to the south. It will move on in about lunchtime, but then it will be reinforced with that front as we head into the evening hours, and that's when the wind will also pick on up. We might even see some wind gusts about 25 miles per hour here around areas of Portland. So satellite radar showing the cloud coverage, some shower activity off to the north, that onshore flow kicking in, and that's going to allow for some rain showers on and off as we go through the week. Here's 550 as we kind of pause the radar. Yeah, that's about it. Not much going on from Ridgefield all the way down through Portland, down to McMinnville and off towards areas of the Oregon coast at this hour. You can expect the rain, though, increasing today, 52 degrees in the valley, about the mid-50s for the coast. The gorge topping off near 50 degrees, and over towards Madras and Bend, lower 50s. I do want to tell you about the winter weather alerts from Washington to Oregon. That's through the Cascades. It's winter weather advisory that will be in place at 10 a.m., and then it will continue through to about noon tomorrow, about 5,000 feet and above those snow levels, and that's where that snow, the heaviest of the snow, is going to remain. You can see that we take a bit of a dip, though, with the snow levels on Tuesday, about 4,500 feet, so I do anticipate some mountain snow Monday night into Tuesday, and that may even be for areas of the passes that you might have to traverse. Notice the last 24 hours, about an inch out of Timberline Meadows, about an inch as well. Continuing to keep that base nice and steady. And with that snowfall Monday night into Tuesday, that will help with that base there. And it might be a nice week to get up there and do some skiing or snowboarding. Futurecast here showing the dry conditions for a few hours. Then here comes that rain right around midday. It's going to be very light. Still pretty dry off to the east. Here's that moisture, though. That's going to move on in through the evening commute. Here's 3:30 here, so we might have some pockets of moderate showers. But then the front arrives late tonight, and that's going to increase the rain through the coast range. The wind's going to also pick on up before it becomes more spotty on our Tuesday. And through Tuesday afternoon, we may even get a couple sun breaks there. That's always nice. And then Wednesday, we have our second system, and you can see that moisture approaching the coast as early as 3 a.m. on Wednesday. So rain totals by the time we wrap up our Monday, about a half an inch to an inch. We get through our Tuesday, we're flirting with maybe an inch and a half. So it's going to be wet the next couple of days and to begin our Wednesday. 7-day forecast, 54 on Tuesday and Thursday, rather, 58 on Friday. So it does get warm, Carly, as we're entering the week. And look at that, upper 50s.
Yeah, that is getting close to 60.